It seems very hard for most traders to find time for trading when they have full-time jobs. Just imagine you come back home from an 8-hour work routine and possibly the last thing you want to do is scroll the charts and look for trade opportunities. Well, I'm here to tell you that trading part-time is possible and very productive. My name is Sam Newton, you are watching FBS Analytics, and in this video I will share the tips for combining trading with your full-time job. Success in trading requires a lot of discipline. And even more, discipline is necessary when you dedicate only some of your time to trading. During the weekend, when the market is closed, write down your plans in the notebook, Notion, or any other planner you use. This will help you to find free spots in your busy schedule that you will dedicate to trading. Also, if you know there is a holiday or a significant event in the market, such as the Fed meeting, consider skipping trading on that day and focusing on your regular job. In both cases, the situation won't be favorable for midday trading decisions. Remember, what is the first thing you do when you wake up? That's right, you clean your teeth, do morning exercises, and have a shower. Trading can be one of these healthy habits too. After you wake up, check the charts, the news, and the setups. Choose instruments you need to focus on today. Good thing if you see a pattern and a confirmation signal on the chart. In that case, you can place a pending order and a stop loss and peacefully go to work. If you are unsure about a trade, it is better to wait for a clearer picture on the charts. Maybe a good chance to trade will appear after you're back home. By the way, the end of the working day, I'm talking about 5 to 7 p.m. GMT plus 3, is usually the busiest time for trading, as this is the time of the US trading session. So, you can make some good trades after your duties at a full-time job are finished. Focus on a maximum of 3 assets you will look at during your working day. It's perfect if you have a mobile app where you can add the assets you chose to favorites at the beginning of the day. If you trade with FBS, you have an excellent chance to save your favorite instruments in FBS Trader, a very handy mobile app for trading all of your favorite instruments. When you expect the asset you trade to hit a critical level, you can always set an alert in your MT5 or MT4 chart. You can easily do that by creating a new alert after clicking the alert bar in the toolbox window of MetaTrader. Here you can choose the type of price, bid or ask, the volume, the time, and the value. This way, you can stay tuned for any changes on the chart. The alerts could be tricky. You must remember that even if the alert is triggered, you still need confirmation of your entry according to your trading strategy. Also, if you set an alert, ensure you pre-planned your stop loss and take profit levels in case of a breakout. If you are too afraid to make intraday entries while trading part-time, try swing trading strategies. Swing trading strategies allows you to hold the trade for only one day, but 2 or more days. With swing trading, you don't need to watch your chart as with scalping. Don't quit your full-time job if you are not a professional trader yet with a proven trading strategy. Focus on your financial stability instead and make trading your source of additional income. This combination will undoubtedly help you succeed. That's all for now. Did you like the tips? Share in the comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and check the link in the description for more trading advice. See you!